In this video, we're going to show you how to manage your tasks in Obsidian. Managing tasks effectively is essential for staying productive and keeping projects on track. Whether you're organizing work assignments, personal goals, study schedules, content creation plans, or long-term projects, having a reliable task management system can help you stay focused and avoid missing important responsibilities. One of the reasons many users choose Obsidian is that it allows them to combine note-taking, project planning, and task management within a single workspace. This makes it easier to keep related information connected and accessible. However, as the number of tasks grows, it can become difficult to keep track of everything without a clear organizational system. Tasks may become scattered across notes, projects, and folders, making them harder to manage. The good news is that Obsidian offers flexible tools that allow you to organize, track, and complete tasks efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to manage your tasks in Obsidian and create a workflow that helps you stay organized. So let's get started. The first step is to decide where you want to store your tasks. Many users create dedicated task notes, while others prefer managing tasks inside project notes or daily notes. Next, create a task using a checklist item. Type a dash followed by empty square brackets and a space, then enter the task description. Obsidian will recognize the item as a task that can be checked off when completed. Now, begin organizing your tasks into categories. For example, you might create sections for work, personal, school, content creation, or ongoing projects. Grouping tasks by category can make them easier to review and prioritize. You can also create separate notes for major projects and place related tasks inside those notes. This keeps project information and action items together. Next, consider using tags to organize tasks further. Tags can help you filter tasks by priority, project type, status, or area of responsibility. Another useful method is creating daily notes where you list the tasks you intend to complete each day. This helps you focus on immediate priorities while maintaining visibility of larger projects. You can also create links between tasks and related notes, allowing you to quickly access supporting information whenever needed. As your workflow grows, you may choose to install task management plugins that add features such as due dates, recurring tasks, task filtering, and advanced reporting. These tools can make it easier to manage larger collections of tasks. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create tasks using checklist items. Second, organize tasks using categories, project notes, and tags. And third, use daily notes and links to keep your workflow connected and manageable. Remember that effective task management is not just about creating task lists. It's also about organizing work in a way that helps you focus on priorities and make consistent progress. Using Obsidian to manage tasks alongside your notes and projects can help create a more streamlined productivity system. This is especially useful for students, professionals, freelancers, business owners, and anyone balancing multiple responsibilities. Taking a few minutes to organize your tasks properly can save time, reduce stress, and improve productivity in the long run. And that's how to manage your tasks in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.